How to see your comments on YouTube. Hi everyone, this is Kate and I'm back with new tutorial, and on today's video we will see how we can see comments on YouTube. So without any further ado, let's get started. First of all, launch your YouTube application in your mobile device. Now once you land in your home page, navigate to your profile icon from the bottom right corner. Now from here again navigate to top right corner and tap on the settings icon. Now under setting, you have to look for an option that says manage all history and tap on it. Now under YouTube history, navigate to top section and there is an interaction menu, tap on it. Now under interaction, if you navigate and scroll down a bit, there you'll find comments and replies, tap on it. And here you will be able to find all your comments that you have left on YouTube. So that's how you can do it. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video helps you. If you are new to our channel, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching and stay tuned for more upcoming videos.